Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Attorney Dan, and today I want to talk about trademarks and whether you should file it yourself or hire an attorney to do it for you. Now, I get this question a lot, and there's no right answer for every single person. Certainly, you have to weigh your resource that you have available to you and the time that you have also. So, if there's something that you want to learn by yourself, take the time and do it right. You can do this yourself. Now, I would say I've been doing this for a long time, and I've seen some of the mistakes have come across my table where clients have tried to do it themselves, and we've unfortunately had to fix some of the problems with the application. So one of the first ones I want to talk about is that they actually hired this trademark filing company, and so on two occasions, the trademark company just sat on the application for several weeks and did not file for the application. So how that is a problem is because in that period of time, there could be someone that actually files for the same or similar mark and then can put your application at a disadvantage. Okay. Another time is a client filed it on their own using a service as well. And the trademark office will tell you that there are scams out there and solicitors out there that they monitor these applications. And this is true, right? This is not untrue. This is very true that you will get solicitations if you file this on your own saying, hey, we can help you do this, we can help you do that, because your contact information is public record. Now, actual emails from the trademark office may get lost in that shuffle. I did have one person tell me, I got this email from the trademark office, but I thought it was a scam because they told me these other emails were a scam. And what happened was they actually missed their filing deadline to respond. And so we actually had to revive the application. Fortunately, we got the registration for them, but we had to revive it. There was some more work. But the biggest downside was actually took more time for the client to do it. Another situation was what the client applied for didn't match some of the proof they were sending. So if you're not doing this all the time, you can get mixed up as to what you're sending in. Okay. So another one was that the filing service asked the particular person, like, hey, we need this. Okay. And for some reason, this particular person didn't send it in, right? It was just sitting on their application. And they kind of just threw their hands up because part of it was, it wasn't a very good customer service, so to speak, experience. And so it wasn't as seamless as maybe some other people going through the process. And so their actual application he actually didn't even file it himself because he got so frustrated with the process. They came to us and then we filed it for them, got all the signatures, of course, and eventually got the registrations. And so this is not to say like you can't be successful doing it on your own. There are plenty of people doing it on their own. But I have a saying like the graveyard of abandoned applications are filled with those that try to file it themselves. It can be a daunting process. And, if you don't have experience doing it, you may not know how to navigate through it. Okay. So if you are on the fence on whether to hire an attorney or do it yourself, I would say schedule an appointment with the professional to see, what pitfalls there may be, what their experience has been, and so that you can get the right counsel if you are looking for an attorney to hire to do this for you, so you can focus on your business. Okay, because the biggest thing is the time. Is your time more valuable working on your business, right? Trying to get more customers, more clients. Or is your time so valuable that you need to be working on trademarks on your own business? Okay. So I just wanted to give some thoughts, some perspective on whether you should hire an attorney or try to file these yourselves. Now, if you need help, want us to handle this for you, we'd be happy to chat and see how we can strategize for you and get your registration. All right. This is Dan. Talk to you later. Bye.